In this video, we're going to do a quick test on this KTM 50 Mini Adventure with the air screw. So it's already warmed up. I'm just going to test and figure out where the best setting is for the air screw, where it'll start the easiest, run the best, idle the best. So right now it's at 1.5 turns out. I'm going to turn it in half, 1, so it's half a turn out. That is richening it. And now it doesn't even want to start. That means it's likely too rich. So let's go to 3 turns out. So let's just turn it in. Okay, that's all the way in. We'll go half, 1, half, 2, half. Let's just try 2.5 turns out. See how it starts. Oh, wasn't the greatest kick. Let's hold the throttle open. So 2.5 turns out, idling fairly high. We'll adjust the idle, because every time you adjust the air screw, you need to adjust that. Oh, idle was too low. So the idle was high, and then when I gave it gas, it settled back down. So that's where we want the idle to be. Oh, no. Drop back down again. Now it's changing. So there's something off here. We're going to test throttle response. We're going to turn it back in. So 2, 1.5, 1. It definitely doesn't like that. Yeah, it definitely doesn't like that. It wants to die out. So we're gonna go 1, 1.5. See, it's wanting to die, and then it comes back up. That tells me it's still a little bit rich. Three turns out. So now, since I leaned it out, the idle's going to be higher. That's why I keep adjusting it down. So it seems to like 3 turns out best. That would tell me that the pilot jet is too big. It wants a leaner pilot jet. And if you want a simple printout of this that you can download, put it on in your toolbox for when you're adjusting any 2-stroke, I got a free air screw tuning guide. Grab that in the description below. I'm Kelly Fager from MX Hideout. Ride safe. Put the screwdriver in there. Have fun. Ooh.